The ingredients are 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1½ tablespoon baking powder, 2 eggs beaten, 1 cup evaporated milk, 1/4 cup melted butter, and 1/8 teaspoon salt. One, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. Mix well. 2. In another bowl, combine the eggs, milk, and butter. 3. Let it stand for 5 minutes and combine the 2 mixtures. Heat a non-stick pan in a low heat. Grease using melted butter. 5. Scoop and pour a 1/3 cup of batter in a pan. 6. Flip when the bubbles on edge break. Flip and cook the other side until golden brown. 7. Repeat the steps for the remaining batter.